I am Parsha Shah. I am blockchain developer, and also I'm currently studying in final year engineering, computer engineering. And my project today is VidShield. VidShield means video shield. So the word VidShield derives from protecting the video from piracy. So the tagline of my platform is create a platform with video NFT and piracy protection. So I would like to explain the features of my platform. This is a landing page of my platform. The first is decentralized video platform. So decentralized video platform means there is no any centralized party controlling this platform. No censorship is done. As well as this is a create direct relationship between creators and viewers. So there are three parties in my platform: creators, content consumers, that is viewers, and the reporters who will report the pirated video. So here no ads are there. Now next feature is video NFTs. So with video NFTs, creator can create a video NFT using live peer facility and sell the NFTs, or they can transfer the NFTs using OpenSea Marketplace. Next is piracy protection. So here I have added piracy protected Web3 video player. So in Web3 video player, there is a digital watermarking and encryption is used to prevent the video from piracy. It's because there is a hard work behind each and every video creator has to go through. It should not get wasted due to piracy. And last and the not the least, my striking feature is gasless onboarding. I've used Bionomy SDK for using gasless onboarding of each and every creator and viewer, so that they can log in easily without paying any gas. They can register. This is the about us section. As you can see on the GIF, that I don't want this video to get pirated. Lots and lots of hard work has been done behind the video, so this hard work should not get wasted. So it is create and viewer friendly platform. Creators can work hard and upload their creativity via videos in simple steps. Creator need not worry about any single thing like video storage, video piracy, not even the earnings. Everything is taken care of by this platform. And viewers and can also enjoy this platform. They can pay a yearly subscription fee for each and every creator and enjoy as much content as much as they want. Why choose us? We are decentralized video platform. This is video NFTs also provided, piracy protected video player, minimal subscription fees, decentralized Filecoin storage, digital watermarking, completely advertisement free. You can only view your favorite creators, simplest gasless onboarding experience, 80% subscription fee for creators and 20% fees goes to the platform when user subscribes. This is the section reporting. I will come to it later, and this is the contact us section. Now I'm logged in with the current account of creator, which is creator one. So I go to the creators dashboard. On creators dashboard, I get two options: upload video and your NFTs. So currently I can see your NFTs there, your videos here. So these are the videos by a particular creator. This creator makes music videos, so all music videos are there. Now let's say if I click on this particular link, a video will get played, and no, it should be in full screen to prevent piracy. I can't click any key. If I click any key, it will show alert box and I can't pirate this video. Now coming back to again, let's say creator dashboard, and you can see now your NFT. These are the your videos section, and your NFTs section. So in your NFTs section, again creator has created already three NFTs, like all the three copyright videos. And let's say creator wants to see the NFTs. He can see on the OpenSea Marketplace. This is the OpenSea Marketplace, and here you can see your video NFT. This is the video NFT. And now let's say creator wants to set the price of this particular. So he can set the price. Let's say sell and 0. Let's say 001 001 ethers, and for duration for 7 days. And he can completely list this NFT on the OpenSea Marketplace, unlocking the selling functionality. And this is the copyright music on video, quantity is 1 and price is set. And lastly, this is, we have to sign the message of this particular NFT. And after signing it, like this, your NFT is listed. As you can see, this NFT is listed for a particular price. So this NFT is listed now, the anyone can get it. And now these are the NFT section. Like these are all again live peer NFTs. The thumbnail is used for live peer. And next part is your this is your videos. This section is done. Now let me move on to again the home page, and let's say select a particular creator 2 account. And again let's set go creator, and this is the account of creator 2. And he has this creator makes funny videos of Tom and Jerry and cartoonist videos. Again these are the videos. Again it can say your NFTs. And let's say this creator wants to transfer some NFT to other viewers. So let's say let's keep it viewer 3. These are the addresses. Tom and Jerry, this is the thing, and let's say it transfers the video to the particular address. And this, let's go to transfer items, and I confirm the transaction, and this NFT is transferred to a particular address. And it will be the transaction will be confirmed on the Polygon testnet. So my contract is deployed on Polygon testnet. The transaction is confirmed. This NFT has been transferred to another viewer. just for showing the functionality. Now this is done. Now let's say you may be asking that how a particular creator is onboarded. So let's say I go to account of creator 3, and let's say go creator. So now creator does not get any options. First it has to register. So registration is done guessless using the help of Biconomy. So I just have to sign the transaction, and almost it will get confirmed on the Polygon chain. And this is the simplest onboarding experience I'm providing to creators and viewers, so that no gas fees they have to pay to onboard to this platform. So as you can see, you are successfully registered as a creator, and now you will get the options again. See dashboard and NFTs. Now currently no your videos are empty because no video is there. Upload new video. Now creator can upload a video ID is 5, like before 4 videos are done. And let's say creator goes to a particular video, let's say animated 2. This is a rocket video, and description is space science. Now this will upload the file button will make an asset ID of the LivePeer platform, and also I will get a link where this asset to be is exported. So I will get the alert box where the when it is the video is processing it is done, and it has gone to the LivePeer platform. Now what if I want to export this video to LivePeer IPFS? So I add the duration of the video, and then I export it to IPFS Filecoin IPFS storage, where LivePeer video will be exported. So as you can see, video exported to IPFS storage. Now I will add the thumbnail of the video. So any video is very incomplete without a thumbnail. So I've added thumbnails as well. This is the thumbnail, and this thumbnail will also go to the IPFS Filecoin storage. Yes, so thumbnail is also uploaded to the IPFS Filecoin storage, and the creator name is, let's say, IROS Space Research Organization or something, and then I submit it to LivePeer. This is the final submission to the LivePeer platform, where video will onboard it to the LivePeer platform. And also a transaction will be done in a smart contract, where we note the video metadata, so that we can get a note how many videos are there on this platform, and I will get a receipt whether yes you have successfully uploaded the video. So these are the steps creator has to perform to upload a video. Very easy steps. Now let's say creator wants to mint an NFT of this particular video. So I take the NFT metadata URL from LivePeer and mint an NFT using the smart contract ERC721. So right now I will get a pop-up whether the NFT is minted or not in some time from Polygon testnet. Yes, it's minted. Now again, let's move back to the creators dashboard. And from the creators dashboard, you can see your videos, the rocket video. The thumbnail is getting downloaded just from the IPFS storage. It may take some time. By the time we can see your NFTs. In the your NFTs, as you can see right now, I minted an NFT. Rocket video is NFT is done. And you can see here, I will, this is the NFT I right now minted. And you can see on the Polygon chain, as well as you can also see the transaction here. This is NFT minted, and also you can see the gasless. The NFT is minted, and also you can see the gasless meta transaction which was done by creator to register to the platform. This is the execute meta transaction. Now this is the NFT. This is the NFT video on OpenSea Marketplace. Here you can see all the features of the NFT and transaction which was done, and also you can see the collection of the particular contract, what all NFTs have been done till now. Now again, going back to your video section. Now here you can see rocket video, and the thumbnail is also done. So this part completes from the creator side. Now I will move on to viewer side. So let's close all these tabs, and now let's say I log in from the account of viewer1. So this is viewer1 account, and I go to your stylish viewer. So this viewer has 3 options, and he can see your subscribed creators, the creators which the viewer has subscribed. These are the videos. Let's say I play this particular video. There is a digital watermarking used, as you can see here. So with the help of digital marking, I stop piracy, and you can't press any kind of key. If I press any escape key, exiting full screen not allowed, I will get a punishment, and the video won't get pirated. So again, I will get I go back to the dashboard and tell you which all your subscribed creators. So this video can't be, and let's say if we play the second video, even if I try to go to console, it won't happen, because let's say if I press, you are not allowed to press any key. So you can't press any key from here. You can't press any key, so you can't leave the full screen. Now let's say viewer1 is done. This is viewer1's platform, and viewer1 can see your all videos. Yes, see, so creator videos, these are all the videos from creators. Right now 5-6 videos are there from all the creators, and viewer1 also can see your NFT, all NFTs, which are all NFTs which are listed on this particular platform. These are NFTs will get loaded. As I'm using Alchemy NFT API, these are all the NFTs which I've loaded right now. So now let's move on to viewer 2. Yeah, viewer 2 can also check his or her is also registered, and also can get your subscribe creators. So for subscribing, you need to press any particular subscribe any particular amount to which goes to the creator as well as the platform. So these are all options I've shown you. Now let's move on to the viewer 3, which is the new viewer who wants to onboard to the platform. So this is viewer 3. Viewer 3, you can go to the use stylish web, this thing, and now viewer 3 has to register. So registration is again guestless and very simple using Biconomy. So viewer can just sign the transaction, and in some seconds viewer is onboarded to our platform. This is the viewer dashboard, and this is the viewer account. So you are successfully registered as viewer, and now you are done. Now you get all these options. Right now you have viewer has done subscribe to any creator, so viewer can subscribe it. First, let's say viewer can see your NFTs. So this was the NFT Tom and Jerry one, which was supplied to viewer by the creator too. So as the transaction was done before, I had shown you. Again, this is the NFT which the viewer has got, and this is your NFT section. And now let's move on to all video section, where viewer can subscribe to a particular creator. Okay, so these are all the creator videos: creator 1, creator 2, and creator 3. Let's say viewer wants to subscribe to this creator, so he will press subscribe. This is a yearly subscription fees which is taken from viewer 0.001 ethers, and from this 80% goes to the creator and 20% goes to the platform. So now viewer just confirms the transaction, and the transaction happens on the Polygon testnet. We can get the pop-up from right now there whether the subscription is done or not. This is all video section. These are all creator videos, creator addresses, and subscribe. So as you can see, you are successfully subscribed to this creator with subscription. So 0.001 ethers. Now let's say this is a yearly subscription. Viewer by mistake clicks it again. He can get that your subscription is still valid. So the subscription is valid till 2023, 1 year subscription. Now again, yes, so viewer can see your subscribe creators. Right now viewer subscribed this creator and got the can see the video as many times as want from this creator for a particular year. So now viewer clicks this video, and as you can see, this is the rocket video, and the digital watermarking is done to prevent piracy. And viewer can also check on all the complete history of a particular creator because he has subscribed it. This is a space science video. Yes, this it's good, right? The space video is done. Now again, I can't press any key because again this thing won't happen. Control Shift I, the key down, and again I'll get a punishment. So I can't pirate this video. Now I can open console to get the video link. So this is done. And let's say viewer wants to get buy an NFT from a particular this thing. So right now the NFT like which was priced 0.001 ethers, which was no copyright music. Let's say viewer 3 wants to buy that NFT. All NFTs are listed in some time. So I'm using Alchemy NFT API here. Yeah, so all NFTs are listed. Now let's say it's no copyright music one. So this NFT OpenSea link will open, and let's say creator wants to buy this this. So you can just send a request buy now and sign the transaction. The Underbit collection, okay. This is the thing. Finally, checkout is done. By checking, confirm checkout. Okay, right now the funds are less in my Matic wallet, but this will surely work. The funds are little bit less, but this will surely work. Now these are all the video NFTs, and these all options are done, right? All videos, your NFTs, all NFTs. So these are subscribe creators. Now we move on to the final stage of our video, which is report. Let's say if viewer can't remove the full screen, but let's say a particular viewer tries to screen record a particular video. So here he can report the file. Let's say this file is report from pirated video from, let's say, viewer 1. He has copyrighted a particular recorded the video. So this video will get uploaded to the Filecoin storage. So right now it's happening, right? It's done, and file is successfully uploaded to Filecoin storage. And pirate address, which is the viewer 1. So let's get the address of viewer 1. This is the address of viewer. This is the pirate which was found in this video. So this is done, and I submit a transaction, and this is the request which will be checked by the report admin, so that if any piracy is done or not. I confirm the transaction and I will get some confirmation that this pirated video is sent. Your report is filed, piratation is done. Now let's say if again some another video viewer also tries to screen record the video. Again piracy pirate second video is sent from viewer 3, and now the pirate is viewer 2. This viewer is very smart and tries to pirate the complete screen recording, and then also he or she will get caught. This is the address and submit. Now submission. Yes, the submission report is filed. Now let's say I have to log in using admin account. So only admin will be able to check this file. So let's say click here to check. It won't allow because it's unauthorized account. Only admin reports checker will be able to check. Reports checker this account, and he will be able to check all the reports. Check requests. Here the list of requests will come up right now. So as this is my contract address, and as you can see right now the execute meta transaction was done. So the viewer got onboarded, and also I can show you the video NFT part where all the video NFTs which are minted right now, the transfer also was done, set approval was done, transfer also done, and minting was also done. This is my contract video NFT. There are 7 transfers, and these are all the holders of the NFTs. These are our addresses. So this is complete, and also on OpenSea as well, we can see video NFTs. This is the video NFT, and these are all the this is my complete collection of live peer video NFTs. So all record videos, Tom and Jerry videos, copyright, this is the price NFT, all are under this video NFT collection. 4 owners are there, 6 items are there. So this is basically to create ownership of a particular video. That's why we are providing the supporting creator economy features. These are all the NFTs right now. So here, as you can see that the reporter is logged in using the reports check account. This is the only account which checks whether the particular report is valid or not. So first reporter can check who is the culprit and who has filed. So we can check, select view copy option where he can see the pirated video like which was there, like which was uploaded, and check whether it's genuine or it's fake. So it's loading right now. So this is the pirated video which was recorded by one of the viewers, 0x17. So as you can see, this is a pirated recorded video, right? Some viewer has sent this, so we don't want this to happen. So this is the pirate address. We can just block this person. We can just block this person so that he or she is not able to use this platform again. So now again, this is the address, and let's say if you particular wants to block the pirate, you can check view copy, check the video, and get the address there. This is the second video. And now let's say if I want to block the pirate from viewing the platform, the transaction is done by the reports checker who will check, and now the reporter will get a bounty of 0.001 because of reporting. So here we are incentivizing the reporters so that we can make more, motivate them so that they report more and more, and we can reduce piracy as much as possible. So now pirate is blocked, and as you can see in this video, this was already a no copyright video, so this can't be under a piracy. So this pirate is not blocked, so just a request is cancelled from their side, and the transaction is done on the Polygon testnet. So this is how reports checking works to block the pirate or not. This can be automated, so request cancelled. Now if I refresh the page, so all report requests are done right now, and let's say if you want to check whether that person was that viewer is a pirate and has tried to pirate the video, and now after the blocking the transaction, that viewer is blocked from viewing any kind of content from this platform. So whenever he clicks on login, and as you can see, this is his account, and you can see that you are blocked from viewing this video. So this way we are controlling the piracy as well. We are also incentivizing the reporters who are trying to report piracy. So this way piracy will decrease, and this completes the demo. Now I would like to conclude this part, and so the video has got long because the features are very much, and I have worked very hard from the bottom of my heart from this whole month with the help of hackathon to complete this platform. And also I would like to thank sponsors like Polygon Testnet for deploying contract, LivePeer for video streaming services, Bioeconomy for gasless transactions, Alchemy NFT API, and Filecoin for decentralized storage. Thank you very much. So a great thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much. So as an update, I would like to mention that my complete dApp is now deployed on Spheron, which is a hosting service and also a sponsor of our Eternals hackathon. So all the features mentioned before are now working. These are the links with Shield. This is my repo, and this is the latest successful deployment. And so all the technologies like Polygon, Livepeer, Bioeconomy, Alchemy, Morales, Filecoin, everything is working in this tab. So last but not the least, I would like to thank Speron team for helping me in successful deployment of my tab.